Hello, I'm Nagraj here. Thank you all for listening to me. I'm going to take a few minutes to actually acknowledge all of our sponsors and also just tell a few things about Texas Goshala. And after this, the fun is going to continue. Thanks for listening. So, Texas Goshala sincerely thanks our generous sponsors for this event. The platinum sponsors for this event are Deep Foods. A heartfelt thank you to Umang Bhai and Dakshina Mehta ji for their unwavering support. They have been the supporters from the beginning of 2020 when we started Goshala, and they have been a dedicated supporter. And today they have sponsored the DJ, the colors, and a lot of other things. And thank you, Umang Bhai and Dakshina ji, and also Deep Foods for this. The next sponsor is the next platinum sponsor is Tara Capital. They are here actually. Tara Capital provides commercial, multi-family investment opportunities, network of investors, and to preserve and grow their wealth. In case you are looking out for any investments in real estate and all, please feel free to stop over there. Thank you, Gopal Agarji, for sponsoring for this event. Thank you, Tara Capital. Then we have LSM Distributors. LSM Distributors are the market leaders in the wholesale jewelry industry and with an amazing assortment of products. So they are not here, but you can look them up. They are also the platinum sponsors for the event. Thank you, LSM Distributors, for this. The next, the gold sponsors for this event is V&A Group. So V&A Group basically has established itself as a global leader in the jewelry industry, built on a foundation of craftsmanship, innovation, and integrity. Their operations span across India, Dubai, and Canada, and also in US. So you can see them now. You don't see them over here, but they are here also sponsors, and they are online, and you can have a look up. You can look it up. The silver sponsors for this event, they are the ones who are also supporting Goshala for a long time. And the first one here is the Vande Wellness. So Vande Wellness is very unique in their Ayurvedic treatments, and they are specialized in cellular detoxification and vibrant health solutions with locations in Sugarland and KT. And they also have a body mind wellness center retreat in Florida. So if you want to get really like you want to really go back and look at it as a Florida as an option, or want to visit some Vaidya, Vande Wellness is one stop shop for you. The special thanks to Murali Prasanna. I don't know whether I see him here, but special thanks to him for from Vande Wellness for sponsoring this event. The next one is Kagola classes. Kagola classes are local to Cyprus here, and they are actually a premier tutoring service in Cyprus, Texas, and they offer education from kindergarten to 12th grade. We have a lot of students from Kagola classes over here who have done really good in SAT. So if you have any needs for talking about math or any other coaching, this is one stop shop for you to do so. Kagola classes is one of the stop shop, and you could and we thank Mohanji here. I don't know whether I see him here, but we thank Mohanji for from Kagola classes for sponsoring this event. Thank you, Kagola classes. The next one is Williams Dental. I know they are here. Williams Dental is here. Thank you, Williams Dental. They provide dental care in Bridgeland and Cyprus area. They offer various services including simple cleaning, cosmetic procedural treatment for an infected tooth. Special thanks to Dr. Mandeep Kaur and Dr. Ida Varghese for being a sponsor. Thank you, Williams Dental. We also thank New York Life Insurance, Mr. Dr. Divyendra Singh. He is a registered representative of New York Life Sciences and NY Life Securities, and offers securities products and services to NY Life Securities LLC. He is a licensed agent, insurance agency. So if you have any insurance needs, please look out for Dr. Divyendra Singh from New York Life Insurance. The next one we would like to thank Vishala Groceries from KT. If you are holding some the colors in your hand, it was all because of their sponsorship here. So Vishala Groceries have sponsored colors here, and I see a lot of them playing around here, and I see those packets also over there. Thank you, Vishala Groceries. The Sia Sounds, we have yesterday I know Arpit and his team from Sia Sounds were working throughout very late in the night. Thank you so much for the sound arrangements and helping so that the DJ is doing what he's doing today. Thank you again for doing all these sound systems and related things. So if you have any need like this in future for sound systems, please contact Sia Sounds who will be able to help you without that. Thank you, RPG. You are doing great. Thank you. And we have Mom's Trends here. I think they have a shop. I see a outlet here. We thank Mom Trend for sponsoring this event, and also we thank. I don't know the specific name from Mom Trends, but they are here. They are having all those beautiful outfits and things like that. So please feel free to stop by when you get a chance. And we also thank the actually, we would have seen Kunal Patel. You would have seen Kunal Patel now doing the Dolak. He has just left, but we thank him for all this effort. In case you need any future Dolak related events, please feel free to contact us. Oh, and he's also doing classes for kids if they want to learn that. So that is one opportunity for you to do so. Yeah. Now I also thanks again for all the sponsors and the food vendors. The food vendors are really working hard to give good quality food over there. I know the wind is a good challenge, but today they are really working hard to get that going. And we also appreciate a few things. Texas Goshala extend its gratitude to all our GoGrass members. So all the GoGrass members, thank you so much. It is because of you that this whole infrastructure is running. You have been contributing every day $1 a day, but still that goes a long way in supporting our operations. We thank all the GoGrass members who are contributing for the cows, and you see all those cows. All these GoGrass members' contribution to the cause is something which we cannot explain. Thank you so much. And we also see a lot of volunteers who are working. You see the front desk, the food place, and all the other different vendors. And the last 7 days, the decoration team, Krishna Veniji and I don't know the name of the other person. They worked really hard yesterday. You see that photo booth and all that. Thank you for all the volunteers, and also we thank our employees who take care of the cows very well. Nilesh, I don't know where is Nilesh, Matt and Alexis. We thank you for what is happening. Thank you so much for being the employees of Goshala and taking care of the cows. Thank you. And then finally we acknowledge many other organizations and individuals who continue to support us. It's a very challenging environment out there, but because of all the community support, we have been able to do this really good. And I hope you're having a lot of fun, and we look forward to see you in other events as well. Okay. And thank you all for signing up for this event and coming all the way. I know there is a lot of people parking around, and you have been walking and having fun here. Thank you all for signing up and believing and coming over here and making this happen. Thank you.